Hey, Nikki Brown here. So today I'm making some red lentils. And all I did is follow the directions on the back, the cooking instructions. And I used the ingredients that they recommend to season it. The only thing I don't have is rice, and I'm okay with that. I don't really want rice. I kind of want it more like a soup, or just to eat the lentils. Again, red lentils. And here they are, marinating in the pot. The onions and the garlic I put in the blender. So some of the garlic didn't break down. It was a little lazy. Um, I didn't feel like chopping them, but again, I'm fine with it because I don't mind. I eat raw bulbs of garlic, so I don't mind eating cooked bulbs of garlic. So there you go. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, y'all, they're basically about done. I'm gonna let them cook for maybe another 5 minutes. I thought about adding some quinoa, but again, I'm okay with it being like more like a soup because I did put a little extra water than the cooking instructions called for. But again, I'm fine with it. I'm gonna let them cook for about another 5 minutes, and then I'll turn the fire off, and they'll be ready to go.